Hello, welcome to ISBT channel special for mathematics. I am Pradeep sir, come again for you, special for permutation and combinations. It is very interesting questions for you. The question is, what is the value of R? What is the value of R if Sixteen P 15R is equal to 13P 16R. Okay, this is the questions. You have to find out the value of R. Okay, now the solution is given 16P 15R 13P 16R. Okay, remember the permutation and combinations. So what is the value of the permutation for formula? NPR is equal to factorial n by n minus r ka factor. Okay, so using this formula, so you can write (16p) 15 minus 15r is equal to 13p. Okay, we can write now in the next step. This is 16 into 15 factorial divided by 15 minus r ka factorial. Okay, is equal to, we can write here on the right hand side 13 into 16 factorial divided by 16 minus r ka factorial. Okay, in the next step we can write this is 16 factorial, 16 into 15 factorial divided by 15 minus r ka factorial is equal to, we can write 13 into 16 factorial divided by, here we can write 16 minus r factorial, we can split, break this factorial. 16 minus r, we can write 16 minus r into 15 minus r factorial. Okay, this value. Okay, now in the next step we can write (15 minus r factorial cancel. Then we can write 16 into 15 factorial is equal to, we can write 13 into, we can break the 16 factorials. We can write 16 into 15 factorial. ओके 16 फैक्टोरियल को हम ब्रेक कर सकते हैं. You can write 16 into 15 factorial divided by, here is 16 minus r. Okay. Now in the next step, we can cancel this and this. Then we can write this and this cancel. This is value 1. This value is 1. This side is 13 by 16 minus r. Okay, in the next step, we can write 16 minus r factorial. So 16 minus r, sorry, 16 minus r is equal to 13, or minus r is equal to 13 minus 16 is equal to minus 3. Minus minus cancel. So the value of r is equal to 3. This is the answer. Okay. Thank you. We can write the similarly the second 5 questions. Second question is का reverse question है. Question number 2. It is a very interesting question. The second question is the just reverse of the first questions. Okay. The question is, what is the value of r? What is the value of r if the condition is P 20r is equal to 13 into P 20 r minus 1. Okay. Look at the questions. This is just reverse of the first questions. The solution, here the solution. Given P 20r is equal to 13 into P 20r minus 1. Okay, we can write now P20r को हम लिख सकते हैं 1 into P20r is equal to 13 into P20r minus 1. Yes or no? Then in the next step we can write 1 into 20 factorial by 20 minus r का factorial. Okay. Here is equal to right hand side में लिख सकते हैं 13 factorial 13 into 20 का factorial 20 factorial divided by 20 minus r plus 1 का factorial. Okay. In the next step, we can write 20 factorial cancel. Okay. This is 1 by 20 minus r का factorial is equal to 13 factorial को either we can write 13 into this is, we can write 13 factorial by 20 minus r plus 1 को factorial को, this is 20 plus 1 21 minus r factorial. Okay. The next step we can write split कर सकते हैं 1 by 20 minus r का फैक्टोरियल 13/20 माइनस r को हम ब्रेक कर सकते हैं, क्या लिख सकते हैं ना, इट इज 20 माइनस r into 20 minus r factor. Okay, you can easily understand. Then the next step, this cancel, this cancel. Okay, now after cross multiplication we get 20 minus r is equal to 13. Okay, or minus r is equal to 13 minus 21 is minus 8. So minus minus cancel. Now we get r is equal to 8. Okay, the answer is 8. Okay, dear students, you can easily understand. Thank you. My number is 977-621-6158. This is also my WhatsApp number.